Hello friends, I am Deepa. I am going to explain you how to multiply a two-digit number with 11. Let's take an example. 23 multiply with 11. What we need to do is, we have to write the first number as it is. Then the number which is in ones place, we have to write it over here. Then we need to add these two numbers. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer is 253. Let's take one more example. Suppose the number is 75 and we need to multiply this number with 11. First we will write 7. Then we will write the number 5. Then we have to add these two numbers. 7 plus 5 is 12. What we will do is, we will write 2 over here and write 1 over here. The answer is 825. We need to add 7 plus 1 is 8, and then the answer is 825. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.